All right, class. So today we are going to work on writing inequalities from words. Okay, writing inequalities from words. This is again quarter 3. So we're going to put Q3, and this is going to be page 3 today. The title of this page is Writing Inequality or Writing Inequalities from words. Okay, writing inequalities from words. All right, the only way that we're able to do this is that we talk about key terms. So I'm going to make 2 columns and we're going to go through some key terms and write the inequality for those key terms, okay? Let me know if I'm moving too fast and I'll slow it down. The obvious one, when you see the words less than for an inequality, is to use the less than symbol. That's the L, that's the one that if you turn it sideways, then it makes a L. The backwards L is the greater than sign. Okay, so obviously, if they're saying a value is greater than a number, then you use the greater than sign. At least is going to be greater than or equal to. At least is going to be the greater than or equal to sign. At least this amount is greater than or equal to that amount. Not more than means it's not more than a certain amount. That means it has to be less than or equal to. So if I don't have no more or not more than $6, then that means I have either $6 or less than $6. Okay. At most, again, the most that I have is a certain amount. Okay. I can have at most I have is 10 pencils left. I can have 10 pencils or less than 10 pencils. So that's less than or equal to again. Okay. A maximum amount, which means I can't go over that amount. So if I have a maximum of 3 pens, then that means I either have 3 pens or I have less than 3 pens. So it's less than or equal to. I don't have more than that. That's all I have. Minimum. If the minimum grade that you can bring into your house is a B, then that means you either have to make a B or greater than a B. You can either make a B equal, your grade can equal a B, or it has to be greater than a B, if that's the minimum requirement. Greater than or equal to. If the inequality that they're having you to write says less than or equal to, that's self-explanatory. Less than or equal to is the less than or equal to symbol. Greater than or equal to, that's also self-explanatory. Use the greater than or equal to symbol. Fewer. If I have fewer than 12, then that means I have less than 12. Not even equal to 12, just less than 12. Fewer than. It has to be less than that number. Can't be equal to that number, it's just less than that number. Questions so far? Are we okay? I'm going to take that as a yes. All right. No less than, okay? I have no less than 6. That means I have either it's equal to 6 or greater than 6. Greater than or equal to. No less than 6. That means I either have 6 or I have more than 6, but I don't have any less than 6. Okay. More than, of course, more than is greater. I have more than 7. That means I have greater than 7. I don't have equal to 7. I have more than it. Larger. Larger than. Again, if I have larger than $20 bills, then that means I have more than just $20 bills. Nice, right? $100 bills. Smaller. Smaller than. Smaller than a certain amount. If it's smaller than 10, the number is smaller than 10. It can't be equal to 10. It has to be smaller than 10. So that's less than. It's not equal to, it's just less than 10. If it's bigger than 10, it can't be equal to 10. It's just greater than 10. Not to exceed. If you're not to exceed a certain amount, it either has to be less than that amount or equal to that amount, but you can't go over that. Okay? Can't exceed over 100, then it has to be either equal to 100 or less than 100. Then you're using the word exceeding. Well, if it's exceeding, like if it's exceeding past $15, then it has to be greater than $15. Not equal to $15, but greater than, because it is exceeding past that. So it's not going to be exactly $15. It's going to be more than $15. Exceeding. Over, same thing. Greater than. It's over a certain amount. It's not that amount, but it's over it. The same with above. It's above that amount. It's not equal to that amount. It's above it. That means it's greater than that amount. Below, less than. Okay. It's not equal to it. It has to be below it. So that's less than. It's not equal. If it's something is below $5, that means it's not even equal to $5. It's under that. That's why sometimes they say 5 or below, because it's equal to $5 or it's less than $5, right? And I'll pause to give you a chance to write. All right, so you're gonna open up your guided practice problems, and they look just like this. And these are the directions as to how to do this. I'm going to show you a picture, and in your own words, right here it says in your own words, you're going to write a sentence from that picture, the inequality in words. Then you're going to take the words for the inequality and just write the equation or write this inequality. So this is written in words, and this is the actual inequality, and you're going to get that from a picture. So I'm going to show you a picture. I'm going to show you 12 pictures. And for each picture that I show you, you write the sentence for that inequality. And then you're going to write the inequality itself. And this is an example right here. It says Jill's age must be less than 12. That was in the picture. That's the sentence that they got from the picture. And the inequality, the actual inequality is J. They came up with the letter J. They could have used A. Doesn't matter what letter you decide you want to use. You can use whatever letter you want, okay? and they use the less than sign, 12. Okay, and so that's what you're going to do for the pictures. You're going to put your answer on the sheet. Any questions before we begin? All right, we're going to start with station 1 or picture number 1. This is picture number 1. I'm going to pause for the cause, give you a chance to write. Number 2. All right. Number 3. Don't forget to write the sentence and the inequality. And I'm going to keep pausing to give you a chance to write. All right. I'm going to do number 4. Make sure you write the sentence and then the inequality. I'll pause. All right. Number 5. Okay. Don't forget to write a sentence and the inequality. Okay. Number 6. Write the sentence and the inequality. All right. Number 7. Make sure you write the sentence and the inequality. Okay. Number 8. Make sure you write the sentence and the inequality, please. All right. So we're going to do number 9. Write the sentence and the inequality. Okay. So let's do number 10. Make sure you write the sentence and the inequality, okay? Here, guys, this says you. This is Y-O-U. This is saying you must. These are good guesses. Number 11. Write the sentence and the inequality. All right. We're going to go on to number 12. Make sure that you write the sentence and the inequality. I'm going to go over the answers to see if you have them right. Number 1. Okay, this one is number 1. You see this? That was the picture. So then the answer is your age must be greater than or equal to 18. You have your own letter, whatever letter you chose, greater than or equal to 18. Use the raise your hand tool so I can see how many people got that one right. Okay, good deal. Thank you for that. Okay. All right, number 2. Okay, good deal. You can unraise your hand. Number 2 is this picture. And this is the answer. The maximum number of swimmers allowed is 32. So you chose whatever letter you wanted, less than or equal to 32. Raise your hand if you got that one right. Oh, that's good. Very good. Okay, good job, y'all. Number 3, this is the picture for number 3. You can put your hand down. That's the picture for number 3. And the answer for number 3, you should be at least 13 years old to watch the movie. So whatever letter you chose, greater than or equal to 13. Raise your hand if you got that one right. Uh-oh. A lot of people missed that one. Oh, okay, more people got it right? Okay. All right, unraise your hand. Put your hand down. This is number 4 as the picture. This was a harder picture to read because it had too much information. Okay. But the answer to that one is the fish must be at least 12 inches in order to keep. So that's whatever letter you chose, whatever variable you wanted, greater than or equal to 12. Raise your hand if you got that one right. More people got that one right than I thought. Not too shabby. Okay, good deal. Put your hand down. This was picture number 5. Okay, picture number 5. The answer to number 5 is the number of people in the room must be less than or equal to 125. Okay, so choose whatever variable you want, less than or equal to 125. Raise your hand if you got that right. Not too shabby. Good job. Okay, good job, y'all. This is the picture for number 6. You can put your hand down. This is the picture for number 6. The answer to number 6 is your age must be greater than or equal to 21. So choose whatever variable you want, greater than sign or equal to, greater than equal to 21. Raise your hand if you got that one right. Oh, good deal. Okay, go ahead and put your hand down. This is the picture for number 7. Picture for number 7. Okay. All right. So for number 7, the answer is the elevator can hold at most 1,800 pounds. So you got whatever letter you chose, less than or equal to 1,800 pounds. Raise your hand if you got that one right. Good deal. Okay, good deal, y'all. Not too shabby. Put your hand down. This is picture number 8. Okay. The answer to number 8 is your speed must be at least 40 miles per hour. 40 miles per hour. So that's whatever letter you want to choose, greater than or equal to 40. Okay. Raise your hand if you got that right. Oh, good. Not too shabby. Go ahead and put your hand down. Picture number 9. Picture number 9. The answer for number 9 is your speed must be 25 miles per hour or slower than that. Okay, that's what it means to have a speed limit. Has to be either that or slower. So it's going to be whatever variable you chose, less than or equal to 25. Raise your hand if you got that one right. You got this one wrong. I'm kind of nervous about you getting your license, right? Okay. Good deal. Not too shabby. Not too shabby, okay? Go ahead and put your hands down. Picture number 10. Okay. The answer to number 10 is your height must be less than 56. So you have whatever variable you chose, less than 56. Raise your hand on that one. Oh, we did all right. Okay. Picture 11. All right. The answer to number 11, you must drive at least 3 feet away from bikers. At least 3 feet away from bikers, okay? So that means whatever letter you chose, greater than or equal to 3. If it's at least, it can be 3, but it needs to be either 3 or further than 3. Okay? Raise your hand on that one. How many people got that? Oh, good. Good. I'm excited about that. Good job, y'all. All right. This is the last picture. Okay. The answer to the last picture, the elevator can hold at most 6 people. That's the most that it can hold. So you have your variable less than or equal to 6. Your less than equals 6. Raise your hand if you got that one. Let me slide this up so you can see it better. Oh, a lot of people got that right. Good deal. Any questions about any of these? Okay, you can put your hands down. All right, I'm gonna stop the video. Please make sure you go over your notes. We're gonna be working on more word phrases and word problems tomorrow. Okay. You can go ahead and start on your independent practice if you want to go ahead and start, or you can wait till tomorrow to start on your independent practice. But please make sure that you have completed the other Delta Math assignments from previous weeks. Don't stop doing the work. You can take today to work on and try to get caught up. And also you can take your Wednesdays as well. Okay, I'm going to stop the video.